My childhood was completely filled with these four cartoons. It is Tom and Jerry, Shin Chan, and Doraemon, and then Ben 10. So these four cartoons are the things which I always watched in my childhood, and these four were available when I get home from my school. So that is how it went. All those other cartoons I watched here and there a little bit, maybe in the holidays or something. But these four cartoons are the major part of my childhood. So in today's video, we'll see about this cute little guy here named Shin Chan. So Shin Chan is an animated series of cartoons. We all know that. And in India, people love Shin Chan as much as they love Tom and Jerry. But Tom and Jerry is dated way back, but Shin Chan, it came in the 1990s. So it was written by a Japanese man. He is called Yoshito Usai. Hopefully I'm pronouncing this name correct. It is straightly from Wikipedia. I have not checked the pronunciation. So yeah, he's a guy who was writing a cartoon, or the series in Japan they call it as manga and anime. So anime are the things which are getting animated, but manga are the things which are like the comics, cute little snippets which we get in our newspapers. Yeah, so those are called mangas. So Shin-chan was originally a manga, and he is like the little child who asks serious question about these social issues and addresses these social issues. So that is the origin of Shin-chan. Now this Shin-chan was liked by so many people all over Japan, and so that it became a huge hit. People, no matter if they just started learning to read like age 6, or if they are 60, from age 6 to age 60, everybody loved this cute little guy called Shin-chan, and it was called Crayon Shin-chan because the cartoons were all like colored with crayons, and also people in Japan liked crayons. The children in Japan liked crayons, so hence the name cartoon, hence the name Crayon Shin-chan. What am I talking? Okay, so this guy, now the person who created this thing, the Shin-chan comics, he is going to make this as a animated series so that it could be dubbed and given all over the world. So these episodes are starting to take form, and people all over the world are getting into this fandom of Shin-chan, and it is dubbed over in 30 different countries, and people are starting to enjoy. And since this has a little adult content in the sense they use the word alcohol, and Shin-chan addresses so many social issues like in education. Let's take what happened in India. In India, it became a big problem, this Shin-chan cartoon in 2007. So these parents and the council, these members, in one Shin-chan comic, the Shin-chan addresses the problems of education system. So this was the major problem behind the ban of Shin-chan. Yes, Shin-chan was banned from 2007 to 2009 in India. So Shin-chan, this thing had like 60% of the Hangama's share. So when this got banned, the Hangama channel hugely got a hit, and they were in a very pathetic stage. But then in 2009, something magical happened. All the fan base, they gathered for this Shin-chan character. You know, how cool would it be, like, for a cartoon character, these many people are showing so much love, just like Tom and Jerry. So this thing in 2009, all these people asked again to Indian government, and they said, okay, we'll try. And they had cut so many scenes, like the Shin-chan actually proposes his senior girls, and those things are cut. And also the word alcohol is replaced with juice. And the content, the Shin-chan, the social message, all those contents are removed, and it is now only for the entertainment of little kids. So the main motive of Shin-chan is like a little bit lost. Now this is the dark part of the video. So yeah, now this man who created Shin-chan, he did not like it, and the original social message, the person, the little child who wanted to ask so many questions about the society, he is not his original creation anymore. So this guy became a little depressed, and one day, I'm not sure if these two incidents are connected, but he was a little sad, and one day he said to his friends that he's going for trekking, like they'll climb the mountain, and he did not come back for 5 days. So after that, when they went and searched, the guy was found dead. Apparently, it looked like he jumped from the mountain, so it may be a suicide. That the end of him. It happened in 2009 only. So there is a lot of connections. But still, okay. Now we are back to the bright side of the video again. Rest in peace. Okay. So the bright side of the video. There are so many different kinds of people watching Shin-chan. Again, from age 1 to age 90, everybody is loving Shin-chan right now. And even in Japan, they had a train. Fully redecorated for Shin-chan, this Shin-chan character, and they're using it till date, which is really great. And Shin-chan, it has over 1,000 episodes. I can't even imagine making that many episodes. And even all the first or the old cartoons, they are still funny even if we watch it now, just like Tom and Jerry. So it is equally loved in India. And it has over 13 films. All of it are good. And his favorite, this character is Action Comic. You all know, if you are a Shin-chan fan, you probably know it. And I want you to guess one thing. Like, what is Shin-chan's full name? What is his actual name? Just in 2 to 3 minutes, I'll say. And his date of birth is May 5. So if you have a friend whose birthday is in May 5, tag them in this video and share this to them and ask and tell them that Shin-chan's birthday and their birthday is the same. So this is the story behind Shin-chan, and this Shin-chan broke a record that old cartoon or crayon Shin-chan is, right? That sold over 275 million. But in just 4 years after the release of it, it sold over 275 million, which is more than half of 485 million comics of Batman, which released so many years ago. So that is the thing which is really good, right? This Shin-chan character is so deep inside our hearts. It broke so many records. And if one content is actually banned in India, it is very difficult to revoke it again. But Shin-chan did it, and we all fan base did it. You know why the connection is there between this Japanese character Shin-chan and us in India? Because India and Japan are different, not so different. It is connected in so many different levels, from the food, from the children's behavior, from the parents' behavior, from the jobs they have, from the kind of society they have. Like, it is almost similar. Even in Tamil language, like, it is connected with Japanese a little bit. So if you want, search it. And that is what I need to say about Shin-chan. So many different artists work so hard for this cartoon to come alive, and they are putting their heart and soul into the work of Shin-chan. So we need to support this Shin-chan. It is in Hotstar, so if you want, you can watch it. I'm sure all of you pretty much have VIP these days. Even I have it. That is not the topic of this video. So yeah, this is Shin-chan. And the original name, the correct name of Shin-chan is Shinosuke Nohara. So how did this become Shin-chan? So Shin, the Shinosuke. So in that Shin and Chan is like the referring to a child. So that is why Shin-chan. Shin is the name and Chan is the child. Chan is how they call childs in Japan, I guess. So that is Shin-chan. Yeah, pretty good, right? This is a pretty positive video, and also has a really negative video including suicide and stuff. So yeah, that is it. If you learned something from this video, like, just share this to your friends. And if your friend is a fan of Shin-chan, I'm pretty sure they would love this video. And coming to the fan base support, like how they banned Shin-chan and then they brought back in 2009, just like that, I sometimes feel that, like, almost above 5 people, I guess, always watch my video and always are commenting. This guy, right? So this guy always comments in my video first. I'm not sure. I think he has his notification on, and suddenly if it pops up, he sees my video. That is pretty satisfying. At least one guy is like really supporting my videos, and all my videos are getting like at least 400 views. So, and also we crossed 500 subscribers. That is something to be happy about. Okay, so I'm sure I'll be pumping out content as much as possible, and will also keep it interesting. I made one video about this Tom and Jerry. So if you want, check it out. Check it out in the screen. It is linked here. So I think I'll see you there. Take care. Bye.